Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you how I lay my edges and what I use to lay my edges. So this edge control that I use is the best. It grows your hair, it does not flake at all. It's the mamiya organic edge control that has black castor oil and avocado in it. So I'm going to be using this spoolie, this mascara wand, to take to scoop the edge control, then apply it on my edges like so, just forward before you start, laying it down with your spoolie and pressing it down as well with your fingers. So this edge control, it does not flake, it does not break your hair, it doesn't break your hair at all. And the thing is, this thing is so soft that even after you bathe, it leaves that oil, the oil in it. It makes your hair feel so soft and really tender. It does not flake at all, and it holds the hair down for a very long time. So all I'm doing here now is just trying to lay the hair down, lay my edges down. Just lay down that way, then press it down with your fingers. So you can see what I'm doing here. Just apply the edge control, then lay flat with my fingers. So you can see the difference between this side and this other side. The difference is really much. And this edge control, you will not regret it. I don't know why I'm advertising this, but this is what I use for a long time. If I'm wearing a wig, I use my got2b, and sometimes if I want to take off that got2b glue, I have to wet my hair, else it's going to break my hair. So this one, if I'm not doing any serious laying down of my hair, I use this edge control. This mamiya edge control is really nice. So I'm going to do the same thing that I did on the other side here, and I'll be right back. So after pressing down with my fingers, I tie with a small cloth like this, just to lay down properly, like lay down flat. After that, just remove that, and boom, it's my edges. So guys, this is what I use for my edges, the mamiya edge control, and it is really nice. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.